Hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and today we are going to continue our previous lectures content. So let's begin with opening our VS Code. Okay, fine. So we are going to create another file today, and we're going to learn so many more elements and more about attributes and other tags as well. So we are going to put this file as lecture 5 HTML. Fine. So let's create a boilerplate with that same shortcut. Okay, fine. Now this is your boilerplate. Let's write here links. Okay, links. Today we are going to learn how we can add links to our website, because there are so many of the links you can see in the website. Let me show you an example. If I open GoDaddy or some other website, basically GoDaddy is the best, I think, because of the format and the layout of the website seems a basic one and a standard too. So here you can see that you have links. By links you can get that, like, just a moment, let this website load first. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of links, and if you click on one of them, you will get redirected to that particular website which addresses that link. Okay, so this was a sign-in page, right? So there are a lot of links that you can have in your website, almost unlimited links you can have when you know what tag it is going to use to write and or to render links in your website. Okay, so like these, we have a link of our own. We want to have a link of our own. So what we can do, how to make a link? Well, first create a h1, then below is the link to, let's say, to log in to this website. For example, let's take it as an example. And how are we going to add that link to our website? For that, you just have to type in one letter, a very basic letter, that is A, and then press enter. And the minute you do it, you will get this syntax, which is for adding links. So in this A tag, in between where you get a space, you can type there, click here. Okay, and you can give a link to this. Okay, you can, where you want your user to redirect to after clicking on to this link. So how can you do it? Just first let's keep it as empty, and then we'll run it, and then we'll learn about how to add things to the link. Okay, so here you got link. Okay, let me turn off the doc reader. Fine. So here you got a link, and if you click on it, it won't go anywhere because you haven't given it a path to where it can go. Okay, so how can you do that? For it, you can go to this href attribute, which is inbuilt in this A tag, and what you can do is that instead of keeping it empty, you can actually fill it with some link. So let's say you want to add https://youtube.com. Okay, the link to YouTube. So if you go on and click on it, if you save and click on it, you can see that it has redirected to youtube.com. That's wow, you created your own link which can redirect you to any website. Instead of writing here in youtube.com, you can write something else, like Pixabay. This is a free image hoster, you can say, distributor, you can say, where all the photographers collaborate and they submit their photographs. This is how you can redirect to that link from your website. And if somehow, let's say that you have you don't want to end your link to get anywhere. Okay, so you just want it to be there. So how can you do it? You can just put it a hash over there, and that's it. It will just run over there. If you reload and then click on it, you can see that this has turned into a hash over here. If you do this, okay, and pay attention to this when I will click over here. Okay, so the moment I do that, there is a hashtag over here. So that is how your redirection occurs. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood everything, and we'll see you in the lecture.